Today we have the 2019 Ford Transit Custom Camper. This vehicle has done just under 22,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our hob, sink and fridge just below. Just to the left of me, we have our foldable table, and behind we have our double bed, which doubles up as 2 belted seats, making this camper 5 belts, 2 berth. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. On our screen we can access our settings, smartphone integration, media and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. And just below our screen we have our AC.